I found this office, a friend of a friend gave me the information and I came. I had very swollen gums and my teeth were starting to move, loose teeth. When I came, I was greeted, I was listened to, and I was given options that make me feel comfortable. It was easy. I was never in pain, and I was able to see a change right away. I would recommend Dr. Friedberg to everyone that has any problems with their gums, because after that procedure, the LANAP laser procedure, I have never encountered any problems. It was a solution to everything in my mouth. It restored my gums. It stopped the shifting in my teeth. It secured everything in my mouth, and I never saw bleeding when I brushed my teeth. It stopped.